Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we are going to proceed with Tableau and today we are going to discuss about side by side bar chart, and we are going to do one more thing. We are going to put some stacks over here, like we are going to categorize some values on the basis of the categories and the count. So the basic purpose of this video is to understand how we can create a chart of side by side bars and how we can provide some other subcategories on the basis of the requirement. So we have the sample superstore data that you can get from the Tableau desktop. It is inbuilt data source that you can have from your end as well. Now for proceeding with that side by side chart, we'll have to look into the categories. What do we need? We need one dimension values, one measure value, and requires at least three fields. Okay, so three fields. Why it is required three fields? Because one will be in the two bars are going to be there with respect to a date. So there will be three fields. So we have one date here. This is order date. Yeah. So we'll proceed with the order date here and we'll convert it to the month. Yep. I'll just hide it. Now we are going to drag it into the filters. Next. Okay, and we'll make it in the form of year. Cool. So it is now in the form of year, and I'll just show you the filter how it is coming. uh, as you can see, the year is coming in the slide format, and when you want to have the radio buttons or a checkbox to select the dates, it will be quite difficult to select the dates in a continuous format. So just make it in discrete over here. Create it discrete. You'll select all. Okay, then you are going to display the dates over here. So filter. Yeah, now we are going to make it as single value list. It is here now. The year value is coming in the list format, and now what we need is on each month there is a order ID generated for each day, right? What we are going to do, we are just going to bring it here, and we'll make it as measure count distinct. So now the order ID is coming in the format of count distinct. That will be distinct count of the order ID. Now you can see we have the bar chart that is respect to the monthly data that we have. Now we want, if I want to display the values of this bar chart count of distinct order ID with respect to customer, how much, how many customer has ordered. So that kind of data, if I want to display over here, I can simply make it as count distinct. Now you can see we have two different charts here, one for the order ID and a count of order ID, and one for the count of distinct customer ID. Now for this, if I want, you can see we can try here, like we can make it in a dual axis and it will come in this format. So what I'll do in this approach is, like when you have created two side by side, two bar chart, now simply just click over here. It is enabled now, and you will have the value side by side bar chart here. If you want to just format a little for this, you'll have to go it in entire view, then select show headers. Now the headers will be disappeared from here. This may look like that both bar have the same value, so I'll just display the labels here, and you can see that it is a little bit different. Maybe some same one person has ordered one element only here. So order ID is and customer ID count is same. Now here you can see that difference is one. So there will be one person who has ordered two products, and here the difference is two. The scenario is like that. Here you can see the difference is 118 to 130, 129 to 150. So you can see the data is accordingly. So there is a difference between order ID and customer ID count. So this is the way how you can prepare the side by side bar chart. Now the another thing that I want to do is we have multiple categories, as you can see: furniture, office supply, and technology. We have these many categories with us. Now with that I have just created category split. One column I have one calculated field I have created, where if the furniture is category equal to furniture, then it will be green. If the category equal to office supplies, then it will be blue. And if the category is not either of them, that will be the third category, then the product color will be red. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use this calculated field in the colored, since I have given three color here. So I'll use it with the colors. Now you can see the colors are getting populated here. I'll have to just give them the actual color what is given here. So blue is blue, green, and red. Yeah. So now you can see the perfect colors that according to us we wanted here. And you can see that we have got the side by side stacked bar chart. Now if you want to change the filters over here, you can see the years changing, and the odd numbers are also changing. So according to the values it is getting populated. And this is the way you can create a side by side a stack bar chart. I'll be uploading many more videos on Tableau later on my channel. So if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel. And thank you all.